Hello everyone and welcome to Best with Streamer, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can add a music or a small MP3 file to your Streamlabs OBS. You know, sometimes we've got these streamers with starting music. Before they start, there's some music going on. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly on how to do that via Streamlabs OBS. So first and foremost, open your Streamlabs OBS. Once it's opened up, go to your sources, and then you want to do add a new source. Once you press on add a new source, all you want to do is click on media file. Once you click on media file, then you just want to press on add a source. I'm just going to keep it as music, and then add source. From here, browse whichever music you want to set. Now I've already got one over here, and then after that you can select it if you want to keep it on loop or not. So now what the loop is going to do is basically every time this audio file ends, it's going to start from the beginning once again. Like it's going to go on repeat over and over again. Now I want to keep it on repeat, so I'm going to press on loop and then just close. And over here, as you can see, this music file is working. From here you can decrease the audio or increase the audio however you want, but that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.